Welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. So this is an exclusive video. First of its kind, I am going to show you how the best streamer in the world is set up on my PC for the first time. So this is just a video about that. I'm going to make another video about the performance and the sound. So this is my audiophile Linux. I go into my JRiver and I go into playback options, and then what I had before was I had this one before. That was my coax from my DAC here to my streamer. As you can see over here, that's my coax port. I've now taken that out, as you can see, and now I'm running USB cable on the back. And that USB cable is going over to a Fidelity ISO here. That's an LPSU. It's going over here like that. That's how it looks. I've got my cable there, and it's going from that Fidelity box over to this Gustard U16 box. Now, I haven't said this before because I haven't owned the product before, but now I can see this Gustard box actually doesn't need a LPSU. I don't think you can connect one, so that's good news for people. And this is a really bad crap $1 USB cable from that, Fidelity over to this, and then we take it from this coax cable over to my DAC, as you can see. So that's basically how it works. That's how it is set up. And I went from this coax setting before, as you can see, over to this Gustard thing that appears now in my audiophile Linux. So I'm happy about that I didn't have to install any drivers. And as you can hear, there is sound. So that basically covers a functioning sound, and I would guess that what I've done here can probably be done on about 10 levels, and what I've done here is perhaps, let's just say, level 2 out of 10. Now I could take it another step further over to, let's just call it level 3 out of 10. Now what I then would do is I would take a, let's just see, I would take this, what's it called, clock box, as you can see. This is the back of it. At the right, that's where you put your LPSU. Where it says 10 megahertz, that's where you put your coax cable. That's the coax cable, but in order for it to fit, you actually have to have a 50 ohm F connector, I was told. Then when that's done, and it's connected from this port here over to the Gustard, one of the two ports, I think it says 10 megahertz or something like that on the Gustard, then it should improve the sound, I was told. I haven't tried it yet because I need to buy that part. And after that, you can then put the GPS antenna on, and then yet again, it improves the sound. So I've been told by my friend. Yeah, and that's basically how you that's how you get the sound functioning. You know, that's it in its basis form. And I'm going to create a video about how to improve the sound, what it is that I'm hearing. So stay tuned for that. That's this other video after this streamer video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a nice day.